Let's first consider the scope of AWS. The AWS cloud operates 44 availability zones within 16 geographic regions around the world. They've announced plans for 17 more availability zones and 6 more regions in Bahrain, China, France, Hong Kong, Sweden, and there's a second AWS GovCloud region in the US. As of 2017, currently AWS has several geographical regions in which they operate. In North America, there's 2 in the east, so one in Northern Virginia and one in Ohio, and 2 in the west, one in Northern California and one in Oregon. AWS also has their GovCloud, which is based in their north and northwestern US. In South Brazil, it's based in Sao Paulo. In Europe, it's in Ireland, Frankfurt, and London. In the Asian Pacific, it's Tokyo, Seoul, Singapore, Mumbai, Sydney, and Beijing. Before we dive into the details and examples, I think right off the get-go, it makes the most sense for you guys to actually follow along with us. I think the best way is learning by doing. So let's create an account for AWS. For the purpose of these examples, we will not have you invest heavily in this technology. We'll cover pricing briefly in this video, but again, there's not going to be a ton of investment up front from a financial standpoint either. So for step one, you'll need to navigate to this site, aws.amazon.com. When you get onto this website, there's going to be a button that says create an AWS account, and that will get you down here to the bottom left-hand corner where you have to fill out the AWS account name, your email address, password, and confirmation password. Once you have this, it gives you that 12 months of free tier access, and they'll send you an email where you have to verify it. So make sure you fill out the form and complete the account verification steps. If you ever set up anything like this, it's pretty basic. And if you're looking at this video, I bet $1 you probably have. So again, it's just basic verification. You'll be given a 4-digit PIN number for verification. Ensure you've completed all these guided steps. And then once you've completed it correctly, you actually see this below screen. So you get the welcome to Amazon Web Service greeting. You can launch your management console. And then success, you have created an account. You'll see the management console you are now ready to create, and you should see this below screen. In this below screen, you'll see the 11 or so different things that AWS services can actually do, from compute to developer tools, Internet of Things, storage, management tools, game development. It really shows everything that you can really do. So now that we have this actual AWS account, let's dive in a little bit to AWS and some of the vocabulary that we'll be using right now. So the first question, why should we care about AWS? The short answer is your interesting analysis may grow into data products that need to be shared across your organization. Our group does not wish to give an AWS sales pitch, but rather we hope to show you how it could help in your job. Data professionals are often hit with the next big thing, some offerings and fads and buzzwords, while others have the potential to transform day-to-day business. So where does AWS fit into this data ecosystem? AWS, in a nutshell, offers scalable data solutions that range from IoT application, RDM, DMS, and analysis at all levels. A key benefit of AWS is the cost. Traditional data storage requires substantial capital expenditures for large corporations. Companies may or may not use the assets effectively, and even worse, some of them may not even use them at all. AWS pricing is variable, which means the users can pay for the storage, queries, and applications as they use it. The alternative traditional approach may be attractive to startups and Fortune 500 companies alike. Financial benefit and the ease of integration with the AWS product. As you will see, our highlighted storage examples are all easily integrated with analysis examples.